Hey friends, if you wish to manage, edit and view saved passwords on Chrome, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So open Google Chrome, click on these three dots at the top right corner. Now you have two options to enter that tab. Either go to passwords and autofill and select Google Password Manager, or go to settings, autofill and passwords, and then Google Password Manager. Now all of the passwords will be displayed here, and then you can go and then click on it, and you will find the passwords here for respective accounts. Was this helpful? See, here's the thing. You can also delete the passwords, you can also edit the passwords, but here's a catch. Unlike with Firefox, the passwords shown on Google are not the ones which have been entered on your browser specifically, but at any time on any browser on which you were logged in with the same account, with the same Google account on with which you are logged into your browser right now. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to your channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.